Good morning, it's 9:51 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's take a look at Litecoin. It looks like those people who said the pricing for the halving has been built in to the price previously, that just went down since before then, they're wrong. So we managed to gain to about almost $109. 107 and 10, that's what I'm saying. But the market maker here has other plans. I keep telling you guys, Coinbase has sold you out to this illegal activity of the market maker, and they know what's going on. The market maker is trying to get control back of this price, and he wants it to stay under 100. Okay, and the reason why he wants it to stay under 100 is because the capital that he's got, the liquidity he's got invested in Litecoin, will not give him a $2 spread of anything over than 100. So as soon as it goes up, the market maker moves back into the market and starts driving the price down. It's that simple, people. I hope you realize that's what's going on. If you haven't realized what's going on, you need to take a further look at this channel that you're on right now. Now, we found out that the market maker is placing two trades, a buy and a sell, both of the same market size, and he's kettling the price in. After Coinbase admitted that those trades did indeed belong to their market maker, they made up a fictitious story that the market maker was not moving those trades to manipulate price, that instead he was posting both trades 40 to 44 cents away from the mid-market price as not to interfere with the price. That is proven to be a bold-faced lie. Now, I already went and I just got sick of it, so I went directly to the DOJ's white-collar crime division and turned him in for an antitrust violation. Because if the market maker is manipulating the price, he's monopolizing the price to make everything more profitable to himself. It's an antitrust violation. He deserves to go to jail, and so does Brian Armstrong. It's that simple. Now, you can see he's working to get this price down. He does. I don't know if Coinbase made a deal with the devil or not, that where they get the total control over Litecoin to do what they do, in return providing liquidity for Bitcoin or something. That's what it seems like to me, because if you could see, we usually follow Bitcoin. See? Oops. Now look at the graph, right? But look at this graph. It's something different here, obviously. Let me see if I have the same time. On the 1 hour. You see something funny, right? So as far as I'm concerned, Charlie Lee and Brian Armstrong are criminals, okay? They're criminals. They're trying to drive this right back to where it was. They do not care about the clients making anything off this or taking any losses off this. It's all about the market maker making his spread. It's simple. As soon as it hit this, look how far it went down. As soon as it hit here, this is what they started doing, driving it down. They've driven it from $107 to $98. That's already $9 off. This isn't volatility. This is manipulation. Do not mistake one for the other. You guys are getting ripped off because these exchanges sold you out to the market makers. They sold you out. The market makers engaged in criminal activity. It's provable. Look at the math they provide. We'll do the math now. Let's see if we can find the market maker walls, since he's a friggin' thief. Okay, you see these two walls? These belong to the market maker. He doesn't want the price over 100. He's going to block it. Okay, the market maker trades are the same market size, $14.99.33, $14.99.32. He's off by a penny. So you could see the market maker's trades of $14.99.32. See? Plus he put this up to help him drive the price down. All right? This is open criminality right in front of your face. Now the market maker says, what does he say in the letter? He says that he's placing his trades equidistant from the mid-market price, not to interfere with the mid-market price. If he has his trades non-equidistant from the mid-market price, that's an obvious 180-degree contradiction, which means he's moving the mid-market price. So let's take this price here. $94 minus $1.21. Okay. The Coinbase states the market maker doesn't post no higher than 44 cents away from the mid-market price. So there goes, that wipes out half the story they created. That's bullshit. Now we have to find the bottom wall. This coin will not hold any value. 96.71. $1.07. So he's going to try to drive the price back up a little bit. But he's already driven it down by $10 already. As soon as the halving price effect started taking hold. And you can tell that these are both not equidistant, all right? They're over $2 spread that the market maker's maneuvered for himself, where he could steal from everybody. These guys are fucking crooks. And I'll keep saying again, if they say that I'm not telling the truth, then you come on here and we'll do a live stream. You get your expert. I'll be my own expert. And you explain the letter and how this trading, what's going on in the order books is not the same as what you stated in the statement in the letter, and why the price gets driven down by those two trades not being equidistant. Now, I would love to see these people from Coinbase debate this with me, or anybody who supports Coinbase. You're open to coming here and tell me that I'm not telling the truth. And I want you to prove it to me by just regular math. Don't give me that bullshit about feelings, pal. I don't want to hear nothing about it if you're out there. Now, we're going to do the averages between these two, and you can see how it creates the mid-market price. It also could project where we're going to if he's just moved the walls. Okay, so we're going to clear that out. 96.71 plus 98.94. Right? That equals, and you just divide it by 2. We're 10 cents off. He's going to drive this price down. Exactly 10 cents off. Let's see if he moved any of his walls. 96.71. No, that's still the same. So we got to check. 98.94. No, it's still the same. So that's where we're heading for right now. Unless we get a reaction where somebody's going to drive up the price. We went way below that. You see what happened? You see he moved the wall down? Where's the wall now? $99.28. You see how he does it? How he dropped the wall down in price? Now it's back to $99.28. That was his secondary wall. He dropped it down. He knows what he's... Everybody, I know what he's full well doing, that this market maker is manipulating the price to achieve a higher spread. So he can make more money off of us trading on here. And we don't make shit. You're always going to lose. You're always going to lose. If you bought into this fake rise right now, oh, it's going to the moon, and you bought here, after you got your 4-hour confirmation, maybe you didn't buy here, You bought here when you've seen that it was confirmed that it got another spike. Then you're waiting for it to go up. You figure 30% gain. You're gonna lose. You're gonna lose. You're gonna lose. He's a thief. A thief. The market maker is a thief. There's no doubt in my mind. I'm 110% right on this. I've been asking these channels with larger viewers just to put me on, and I'll sit here and calmly walk them through it. And if anybody thinks I'm wrong, please feel free during the live stream to say, you're wrong, Mr. Russo, because this, that, and the other thing. Explain it to me. And then you get your calculator, and you get your letter from Coinbase, and you prove me wrong. That's it. That's all. You see how he's working these two trades together? These are the market makers trades here. He added this 1310. I can guarantee if you investigate this trade, you're going to find out this trade also belongs to the market maker. What did I say he was bringing it to? Regardless if there's play within those two trades, the top and the bottom trade, the buy and the sell, if he doesn't change those walls, that's where he's sending the price to. He's sending it. He's manipulating it to it. You guys better wake the hell up over here. I never seen people that won't do anything. This is what I'm going to show you. This is where you got to report these guys into. This will get the job done. You send them an email. Send them my link. Doesn't matter what country you're from. This DOJ is worldwide. Anybody manipulating the price, that's a worldwide thing. See? This is the antitrust. See? Hit this. And there you go. This is where you want to see. I'm going to post this up too with the rest of the stuff. They're definitely an antitrust violation because, look, plead guilty to fixing prices. Fixing prices is an antitrust violation on anything, period. Anything that's sold from peer-to-peer, if you all agree to, the people that are selling the goods all agree to a fixed price, they artificially pump it up. So anybody looking to see if they could save some money on a certain part is forced to pay the same price no matter what. Or they lose money, or in this case they're making money by everybody's losing money because they decide to wipe out the longs and shorts. Now that you're going to see futures trading in Litecoin now, this manipulator's activity is probably going to increase. You're dealing, I hate to say it, people, but you're dealing with criminals here. Okay? These are criminals. So again, this is where you're going to go to. It's an antitrust violation. They ask you why. Because the market, it's been proven that the market maker is manipulating prices. Here is the guy that could show it to you. I tested it. You don't even have to go to my channel. You do the same thing I did. Here it is. This is what I seen. This is the letter that this Mr. Russo got from the New York Department of Financial Services. I didn't trust Mr. Russo. I didn't believe him. But when I went in and checked his formulas and I checked the statement to the New York Department of Financial Services, which has been verified actually coming from the New York Department of Financial Services, I ran it through myself. And Mr. Russo's right. The market maker is manipulating the price on Coinbase. We'll start with Coinbase. But as far as I know, anybody that is maintaining the same price as Coinbase, I'm saying their market makers doing the same thing. It can't be a coincidence if Coinbase has to manipulate their prices. Their market maker has to manipulate the prices, maybe to keep up with the larger exchange. Maybe that's what he's doing. But he's not supposed to be manipulating for any cause or reason the price. So that's even worse if all of them are doing it. But as far as I can tell, I know that Coinbase, I can absolutely prove 100% that they are manipulating the price. Now you can see here on the graph of Litecoin, it broke resistance, okay? It broke two resistance lines. They brought it back down to the resistance line again. And he's going to try to park it back under there. They're just doing one thing. They're using Litecoin, their Litecoin and their cash to manipulate the spread so that the market maker can enrich themselves. These exchanges are criminal, especially this one because it's so obvious to spot what this market maker is doing with these two trades since they're so easy to spot in the book. We already know those two trades are in equidistance. 107 and 120, $1.07 and $1.21 is not 40 to 44 cents. Both of them are supposed to be either 40 or 44 cents away from the mid-market price. They're not because they're manipulating the spread. Look at the spread. It's $2.28. It's supposed to be 88 cents. It following his own rules. These guys are criminals. Now let's see where we are now. You see, he's now using this other additional trade, but it doesn't matter. It does not. That trade does. Okay, it's probably the market makers, but due to the fact that he still has these trades aren't equidistance, he's still manipulating the market. He threw in another trade. You see it right there to throw more pressure on the price to get it down. He wants that spread $2. He doesn't give a shit about any of the clients making money. He doesn't care. He's a fucking criminal. I don't know what it takes, you guys. I sent this to all the technical analysis guys to check out. Now I'm going to go to this other guy that was talking about he's been wrong. I'm going to say, I want you to look at this. You seem to know how to do graphs right and predict. I want you to look at this and go through the numbers and check the letter. And you tell me that the market maker is not manipulating the price. I'm going to this one guy. He's a little obscure. They make fun of him. But he supposedly has a big fan base. We're going to go to him now, and we're gonna send this out to him. Everybody's going to get bombed by this today. I'm going to keep bombing it until it's all over the internet. I want everybody to do it. Start bombing them. Start sending the video. Look, make your own video. Look, this guy says this. I didn't believe him. I checked his numbers. Look what his numbers are telling us. What do you think about this? Start spreading it. Tell people if they doubt me, then obviously if you do the math, can you doubt yourself? Do the math. Over and out, people.